Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Path Trading Partners along with Bob Iacchino. So, checking in again on Bitcoin, sell-off continues. Again, double bottom, potential double bottom didn't trigger, and it went lower. So it went through our next key levels down, this 8809, and then it didn't really pause. So how did we come up with our next level? Well, like we've covered before, we went to the 1 hour chart, and here's the pause on the 1 hour chart. See, it moved sideways, 8 caught up, and then it went lower. So that gave us the 85.27 level very nicely. Again, 12.5% projection. Same starting point, by the way. Starting point was all the way up here at the top. We take off these levels since they're done. So the starting point was all the way up here at the top from the highs back on the 5th of May, in case you're trying to recreate it for yourself. So that gave us this 85.27 level. Moved sideways, rotation zone catching up on the 1 hour. Now plunging again next to our 83.65 level. At this point, I'm just going to drag it down so everybody has, because it's almost hit that next level. I'm going to drag it down so people can see the next key levels. So you can actually watch for about, instead of 83.65, you can start watching for about 83.25 and then 81.40. It will be better when we actually get the pause on the 4 hour. Right now, we're using that pause on the 4 hour, and when we get another one, we can update the levels again. Right now, on a rally back, the key area we'll be watching for is a return to about the 86.53 area. On any rally back, we have the declining 8, the 200 SMA, and that would be the bottom area we look for. On a more substantial rally, we'd be looking back to this prior other breakout zone in the declining 21, which comes in about 89.92. Keep in mind the 21 will keep heading lower. Let's check in on that daily chart, though, to help us fine-tune anything. So, all right, what are we looking at? Right here, right above this 81.40 level, we have this 50% retracement from this up move. This started back on April 1st to the high on the 5th. So right in here, I'd say watch for this 82.07 to 81.40 zone for any high probability reversal patterns. Again, nothing we're looking for yet. We might have the first cross rotation zone also happening on the daily, which would mean the rotation zones against us on the 4 hour and on the daily, and that's where we go to pretty much hands-off mode, only taking advantage of the most high probability reversal patterns. So that's what you're looking for in Bitcoin. All right, checking in on Bitcoin Cash. So Bitcoin Cash coming down, we had the 1408 level, plunging right through that to the 1359 level, pretty much dead stop on that low. Then we continued lower. So again, just like in Bitcoin, we had to switch to 1 hour chart. So 1 hour chart, you see we used this low because it moved sideways 1 bar. That gave us the next 1298 low, which was pretty much what was the low here, 1300. So again, you target the round number right there. Going back to the rotation zone, rotating back down now. Let me pull off these other levels. For this one, I'm just going to leave it. Let's see. I'm going to actually update this to this nice pausing bar on the 4 hour. That gives us the next major levels should we head lower. Unless this plunges rapidly, we might get a minor divergence, but then I'd really wait for a nice rotation back up. We're going against the rotation zone. First key area of resistance now on any rally coming in about 1430. Next major area is going to come in right at this breakdown zone and with the declining 21 at about 1486. Now the levels you're looking for lower, let's actually switch over to the daily chart to look at those. So on the daily chart, oh, this is really nice. So we have the 50 EMA, the 50% retracement, and the 12.5% projection all coming in at about, what are we looking, 1231 to 1225. Lots of major cluster in there. That would be a great area to target and watch for a possible reversal. If that does not hold, then it goes to 1162. That's really all we're seeing. There's just a lot of overhead resistance. We're back into this nice consolidation, so we might find some temporary support right in here. See where we found support before. But again, if we do plunge through this key level, then that turns into resistance. So any rallies, you know, you're looking at it right around 1300 being resistance then. So we have for you on Bitcoin Cash and Bitcoin, and we'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.